Hey everybody, what's good with ya? I am Lee, but you can call me Lee. Today I am actually kind of excited to see what this is going to look like. We're doing The Power of Makeup, which was by Nikki Tutorials in the beginning when she did it, and I was like, let me do that too. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I'm very excited to show you guys not only the power of makeup, but the power of drag, honey. Yes. So let's get into it. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do now is block half of my brow on one side. Okay, now we're gonna prime, and for primer, I am using this e.l.f. Blemish Control and Face Primer. Okay, now we're gonna go in with some foundation. I got this new one. I haven't tried it yet, really. It's the Infallible. Is this L'Oreal? I think this is L'Oreal. I don't need a lot since we're not doing our full face. We're only doing half, so we can see the overall distance. Well, the overall, how much I can catfish, if that makes sense. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the brows, and for that I'm just gonna use black eyeshadow from this bright matte palette, bitch. Oh, look at her. I wasn't expecting that. I did this and I didn't even know what I was really going to do. I know I wanted to do like the power of makeup type thing, but this brow is killing it. Okay, now it's time to do concealer, and for concealer I'm going to use this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Okay, concealer is done. It's looking pretty good. I still love this brow. Okay. Okay, now it's time for contour. And contour, I'm literally just getting this brown in here because I can't find my 3-step sculpt. So I'm gonna have to deal with this. Let's get in there. These lights, they like to take away some shit. Let's get it to that hairline. See, I can do that because I don't have any hair. Y'all got hair. Y'all can't do that. Okay, now let's move on to the eye of this makeup look. I'm feeling, I don't know what I want to do. Let's use some of this red because I love this red in here. Oh, this red. It's amazing. Now let's get some of this purple, which is Slasher, and y'all know I love that. Now I'm gonna get some of this pink. It's called Blend and Snap. Okay, now I'm gonna get some of Ivy up there and put that all over. Well, not all over, but you know. I just realized that I didn't put black, so let's do it. I want to do like some black at the bottom of my eye. I'm gonna get that black and go underneath that. Now I'm gonna do lips and lashes off camera, and I'll be back for the reveal. This was a success. Okay, so now all we have to do is put on our blush. I'm I'm gonna use like a reddish blush. Alright, this is the look all complete. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I mean, it is a big difference from this side and this side. I love it. I love it. But please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys later.